Hello guys, this is Finance Balance. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Did you know that as of 2025, over 55% of individuals who invested in the stock market in 2020 have seen their portfolios grow by more than 50%? This staggering figure highlights the potential for wealth accumulation through strategic investing. Yet, many people remain hesitant, burdened by the belief that the stock market is a game of chance or reserved for the wealthy elite. In truth, the stock market is a tool that can be leveraged by anyone willing to learn and take calculated risks. It's not just about luck. It's about understanding trends, making informed decisions, and knowing when to buy and sell. The opportunity to transform your financial future is real and within your reach. This growth isn't just a blip on the radar, it's a testament to the resilience and potential of the market. Even amidst economic challenges, those who ventured into the stock market with knowledge and patience have reaped substantial rewards. So what's stopping you from becoming one of them? In 2025, the stock market remains a cornerstone of the global economy. It continues to be a critical indicator of economic trends and a primary driver of financial growth worldwide. It serves as a barometer for economic health and a vehicle for wealth creation. Investors look to the stock market to gauge the economic climate and make informed decisions about their financial futures. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, stock markets influence everything from international trade to local job markets. The ripple effects of stock market movements can be felt in various sectors, impacting businesses and individuals alike. Understanding their dynamics is more crucial than ever. Knowledge of stock market trends and behaviors can provide valuable insights for both seasoned investors and newcomers. Investing in the stock market offers individuals the chance to become part of the global economic engine. It provides opportunities to grow personal wealth and contribute to the broader economy. It allows them to benefit from technological advances, new business ventures, and economic growth. By investing in innovative companies, individuals can support and profit from the next big breakthroughs. As companies innovate and expand, investors are rewarded through dividends and increased stock value. This symbiotic relationship drives both corporate success and personal financial gain. Today, technology has made it easier than ever to access and invest in the stock market. Advanced tools and platforms have democratized investing, making it accessible to a broader audience. Online platforms and apps offer real-time data, educational resources, and low-cost trading options. These tools empower individuals to take control of their financial destinies with unprecedented ease. This democratization of finance means that anyone anywhere can become an investor with just a few clicks. The barriers to entry have been significantly lowered, opening up new possibilities for financial growth. The importance of the stock market is also reflected in its role in retirement planning. For many, investing in stocks is a key strategy to ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. With traditional pension plans becoming less common, investing in stocks offers a viable path to ensuring financial security post-retirement. It provides a means to build a nest egg that can support one's lifestyle in later years. As such, understanding stock market investing is not just beneficial, but essential for long-term financial planning. Educating oneself about the stock market can lead to more informed decisions and better financial outcomes. Despite its potential, many people hesitate to invest due to common fears and misconceptions. These fears often stem from a lack of understanding and the overwhelming amount of information available. One of the biggest fears is the volatility of the market. The constant ups and downs can be intimidating, especially for new investors. Stories of stock crashes and financial losses linger in the collective memory, making many wary of investing. These stories, often sensationalized, can create a sense of dread and hesitation. However, volatility is a natural part of the market, and understanding it can mitigate fear. By learning about market trends and cycles, investors can better prepare for fluctuations. Another prevalent misconception is that one needs a vast amount of knowledge and expertise to start investing. This belief can be paralyzing to beginners, making them feel inadequate. The sheer volume of information and complex terminology can be daunting. While it's true that knowledge is power, the basics of stock market investing can be learned relatively quickly, and plenty of resources are available to guide new investors. Online tutorials, books, and financial advisors can provide the necessary foundation. Additionally, some people believe that only the wealthy can afford to invest in the stock market. This misconception prevents many from even considering investing. This couldn't be further from the truth. The stock market is accessible to people from all walks of life. With fractional shares and low-cost trading platforms, investing has become accessible to everyone, regardless of their starting capital. These tools have democratized investing, allowing even those with limited funds to participate. Finally, there is a fear of losing money. The thought of financial loss can be paralyzing, causing many to avoid investing altogether. While losses are a part of investing, they are often blown out of proportion. Effective risk management strategies can help mitigate potential losses. Successful investing involves calculated risks and a long-term perspective, focusing on overall portfolio growth rather than short-term fluctuations. By maintaining a long-term view, investors can ride out the market's ups and downs and achieve their financial goals. Section 4. Exploration and Development. Tips for successful investing. To succeed in the stock market in 2025, beginners should focus on a few key strategies. These strategies are designed to help navigate the complexities of the market and make informed decisions. First, understanding market trends is crucial. This involves studying historical data, recognizing patterns, and staying updated with current market conditions. With the rise of tech-driven industries and green energy, identifying sectors poised for growth can guide investment choices. These sectors often show promising potential for long-term gains. Keeping an eye on economic indicators and news can aid in making informed decisions. Regularly following financial news helps investors stay ahead of market shifts and economic changes. Diversification remains a fundamental strategy. By spreading investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies, investors can mitigate risks. By spreading investments across various sectors and companies, investors can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. This approach helps in balancing the portfolio. Yes, it's essential not to put all your eggs in one basket, as diversification can buffer against market downturns. This means that if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing the overall performance. Another tip is to consider the types of stocks to invest in. Different stocks serve different purposes in a portfolio. Growth stocks can offer high returns but come with more risk. These stocks are typically from companies that are expected to grow at an above-average rate compared to other companies. While dividend stocks provide steady income, which can be a safer choice for risk-averse investors. These stocks pay regular dividends, offering a reliable income stream. Balancing these can create a robust investment strategy. A mix of growth and dividend stocks can provide both potential for high returns and steady income. Lastly, patience and discipline are key. Successful investing often requires a long-term perspective and the ability to stay calm during market volatility. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, research, and a well-thought-out strategy to build wealth. Building wealth takes time, and it's important to stay the course even when the market experiences downturns. Consistency and a long-term view are essential. Emotion-driven decisions often lead to losses, so sticking to your strategy is crucial. Maintaining a disciplined approach helps in achieving long-term financial goals. Section 5. Climax and Key Moment, a Success Story. Consider the story of Jane, a school teacher who began investing in 2020 with just $1,000. Initially hesitant, she educated herself on market trends and diversification. She focused on technology and renewable energy stocks, areas she believed had growth potential. Over 5 years, Jane's portfolio grew to over 50,000. Her success wasn't just a result of luck, but strategic decisions and patience. Jane regularly reviewed and adjusted her portfolio, reinvesting dividends and staying informed about market shifts. She avoided panic selling during downturns, choosing instead to buy more shares at lower prices. Jane's story shows that anyone can achieve financial success through the stock market with the right approach. Her journey highlights the importance of education, strategic planning, and resilience, proving that significant wealth is attainable even with modest beginnings. By focusing on long-term goals and not being swayed by short-term market volatility, Jane achieved a financial milestone. Her story is an inspiration for beginners, demonstrating that the stock market can indeed be a pathway to financial independence. Section 6. Conclusion Recap of Strategies. In summary, the stock market presents a powerful opportunity for wealth creation in 2025. For beginners willing to learn and apply strategic principles, understanding market trends, diversifying investments, and maintaining a long-term perspective are crucial steps to success. Investors should focus on informed decision-making, utilizing available resources and technology to guide their investments. By considering different types of stocks and balancing risk, beginners can build a portfolio that aligns with their financial goals. Patience and discipline cannot be overstated. The stock market is a long game, and those who stay committed can reap substantial rewards. Remember, successful investing is about steady growth, not quick wins. These strategies, coupled with real-life success stories like Jane's, reinforce the potential for financial prosperity. The stock market is a dynamic and rewarding arena, and with the right approach, anyone can thrive. Section 7. Call to action, share, and explore further. Now it's your turn. What are your experiences or questions about stock market investing? Sharing stories and insights can be invaluable, offering different perspectives and strategies. Whether you're just starting or have been investing for a while, there's always more to learn. Consider joining investment groups or online forums to exchange ideas and advice. Engaging with a community of investors can provide support and motivation to stay on track. Explore resources like books, podcasts, or courses to deepen your understanding of the market. Don't let fear or misconceptions hold you back. Take the first step towards securing your financial future. Start small, stay informed, and remember that every successful investor started where you are now. Your journey in the stock market begins today, and the possibilities are endless. Embrace the challenge, take action, and watch as your financial landscape transforms. The stock market is waiting, and it's time to make your mark. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell.